Alright, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So aisle and aisle. So aisle, a long narrow corridor, aisle. Yes, so I walk down the aisle. You can find the, let's say, chocolate on aisle 7 in the supermarket. Yeah, aisle 7. Oh yeah. They can be found on aisle 7. How cool is that? When you walk down the aisle in the church for your wedding, she needs to have a beautiful dress. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. But then isle, a small island or islands. So isle. Have you been to that isle? There are a lot of aisles we can go to. I am not sure which aisle to go to next. Yeah. These aisles are very old and there's a lot of history. Yeah. We can see a lot of old ruins and buildings on these isolated aisles. Yeah. These small aisles in the middle of nowhere. There are small aisles in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, aisle, a long narrow corridor. Like at the supermarket, aisle 1, aisle 2, aisle 3, aisle 4. An aisle, like islands. The Isle of Wight, Isle of Man. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use aisle and aisle in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, Udemy. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.